Good morning, my dear little boys. Welcome to today's number work class. So far, we have learnt number names from 1 to 7. Today, we will learn number names 8 and 9. Repeat after me. EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. NINE 9. NINE 9. NINE 9. Very good, boys. Today we have to write this in our notebooks. We have two books for number work, Book 1 and Book 2. Book 1 we will be using for our written work and Book 2 for the activity sheets. In today's class, we will be writing only in Book 1. So let us take Book 2 and keep it aside. We will write only in Book 1. Open to the first page of your notebook. You all have done this worksheet, numerals from 1 to 50. Please cut this out to adjust it to stick on the page. I have stuck this worksheet in my book. Now I will complete writing 1 to 50. Once this worksheet is complete, check and turn to the next page. Now we will begin writing number names. We usually do not write anything in the top margin or the left margin. But only when there is a heading to write, we will write on the top side of the margin. On top of the margin, leave one box and in the second box write capital N. Then beside that in small letters write U M B E R number. Leave one finger space and write names NAMES number names. Now below the red margin, leave the first box and begin to write from the second line 1. Put a small dash and write ONE 1. Leave two boxes below that and write 2. Put a small dash and write TWO2. Leave two finger boxes below that and write 3. THREE 3. Leave two boxes below that and write 4. FOUR 4. Leave two boxes below that and write 5. FIVE 5. Now that we have finished 1 to 5 on the left side of the page, on the right side we will be writing 6. As usual, remember not to write anything in the margin. Leave the first box and in the second box write 6. Put a small dash and write SIX 6. Leave two boxes below that and write 6 again. SIX 6. Again leave 2 boxes and below that write 6. SIX 6. Leave 2 boxes below that. Write 6 again. SIX 6. Leave 2 boxes below that and write 6. SIX. For the whole page we have written 6. Once you finished 6, check and turn one page. On the left side of the page, we will be writing 7 for the entire page. But children, remember, don't do this work in one day. Okay? You can slowly write one page a day. Don't write all these pages in one day. So remember not to write anything in the margin. Leave the first box and from the second box write 7. Put a small dash and write SEVEN 7. Leave 2 boxes below that and write 7 again. SEVEN 7. Again leave 2 boxes below that and write 7. SEVEN 7. Leave 2 boxes and write 7 again. SEVEN. And leave 2 boxes again and write 7. A small dash. SEVEN 7. Once you have finished writing 7 on the left side of the page, on the right side we will write 8. The same way, do not write anything in the margin. Leave the first box on top and from the second box begin writing 8. Put a small dash and write EIGHT 8. Leave 2 boxes below that and write 8 again. EIGHT 8. Again leave 2 boxes and write 8 again. EIGHT 8. Continue writing this the whole page. Once you have finished writing 8, check and turn one page. Be very careful when you are turning your pages. Check and turn only one page. In the next page, on the left side, we have to write 9. Number name 9. Today we learnt number names 8 and 9. So we will be writing up till 9 in today's class. Do not write anything in the margin. Leave the first box. From the second box write 9. A small dash. NINE 9. Leave 2 boxes and write 9 again. NINE 9. Leave 2 boxes and write 9. NINE 9. NINE 9. NINE 9. So in today's class we will be writing only up to number name 9 because we have learnt only till number name 9. Once again, remember, in your first page, you will be sticking your worksheet of numerals from 1 to 50. On the next page, you will write number names 1 to 5, then 6 for the whole page, 7, 8 and 9. Remember, please do not do the entire writing in one day. Slowly do it one page in one day, okay? Keep revising till we meet in the next class. Till then, bye and have a great day.